Welcome back, YouTube viewers. So if you've been following my channel, I'm going to be getting the Flyin Miata Stage 1 Turbo Kit installed on my NB Miata tomorrow. My mechanic's doing it. So I'm just breaking down what you get in the 5 boxes from Flyin Miata. So this is the first box. So it looks like you get the turbo heat shield. Decent build quality. Spot welds here and there. So some places it's not completely welded on. For example, right there, but not a big deal as long as it's as long as it lasts and it doesn't come apart. Regardless, I'm gonna be putting the gold heat rejection wrap on that anyways, whatever you want to call it. So that's for the air box. Let's see what this piece of paper here says. Airbox, turbo, airbox only. There's a list of whatever's in this bag, I'm assuming. See the bolts right there. You got your Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Some hose clamps here. So that's it there. And I'll do videos post installation of everything. So hopefully you get my car back in a couple of weeks. So there's it's not just the turbo kit going on, it's all these parts here. So I got my roll bar from GC Fabrications, the GC3 roll bar. Cobalt Engineering full mid pipe with cats welded in, full exhaust. Our Theory frame rail braces, CSF radiator, and this turbo kit. So that's the Turbo Smart blow-off valve. Can't seem to get this box closed. And this is the Voodoo box, I believe. Yeah, Voodoo box, fuel controller, 1994 to 2005. So let's open this up real quick. So that's it there. Miata Voodoo box. Vacuum lines, it looks like. So that's that. Try this. So this looks like it's the EGR tube. It looks like it's a Mazda genuine parts. Yeah, made in Japan. I got this stainless steel oil lines, oil supply line. And this is turbo connection kits, FM turbo kits connection to FM turbo kit, FM coolant reroute. So I actually have the Qmax Super Miata reroute kit. So if you've seen the Flyin Miata coolant reroute kit videos, theirs is actually made for, I guess, a turbocharged application. I ordered this before I ordered the turbo kit. The turbo kit from Flyin Miata was out of stock, but I ordered this because I like the anodized orange look, and also let's just have a look at the build quality on the Super Miata coolant reroute kits. I mean, looking at it, it just reeks of quality. Not saying the Flyin Miata one doesn't. But looking back at it, I should have went with the Flyin Miata, just because they have the the coolant lines at the back of the coolant reroute. So this part connects to the back of the engine. Another portion connects here with the coolant outlet from the block to the radiator. Right here is the, I believe that's the heater core. And that's an extra, I guess, port if you wanted to put like another coolant water temperature sensor. But the Flyin Miata coolant reroute kit, it has I guess enough ports for 3 hose barbs, which would be pretty much for the turbo coolant or water lines. So when I did order the Flyin Miata turbo kit, I ordered it with the Flyin Miata reroute connection kit. I forgot how much extra this cost. It didn't cost much. But looking back at it now, I really should have went with the Flyin Miata coolant reroute, but I went with the Super Miata just because I like the orange anodized look to it, and it just, I mean, come on, this is a gorgeous piece right here. So I believe it is 3D printed or some sort of, 3D printing of some sort. But that's a gorgeous piece. But anyways, continuing on, the Flyin Miata turbo kit. So yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with that, but I have it regardless. Maybe I'll go Flyin Miata reroutes, coolant reroute down the road. So this is the timing wheel. Miscellaneous parts. So there's a little packing list there. You got your carb sticker. So I'm not sure where I'm gonna put this on the car. But yeah, that's there. Looks like there's another sticker underneath. So yeah, apologies for the video here. I don't have whatever stand or whatever you want to call it, a tripod. So I'm just holding everything. So the other sticker, premium fuel required 91. So when I first got my car, I wasn't too sure what fuel to put in. Did a quick Google search, and it looked like everyone said uses 91. So I've been putting 91 in my car since I've had it in October of 2022. So no problem there. Okay, so another packing list here. Heat shield, FM2, and VD kits. Oh, my bad. It looks like it's the heat shield hardware bolts. And another bag here. Bag 5A, oil drain. So oil drain line from the turbo possibly. And another bag. So this looks like this is for the turbo air intake elbow, and some hose clamps, and another rubber hose. So that's box number 1. And stay tuned, I'll do a box 2, 3, 4, and 5.